Don't make fun of me. Hello everybody and welcome back to yet another video. Before we start anything else, please hit that thumbs up, like and subscribe, and hit your little alarm button so you get notifications of all the videos I make, because you're not going to want to miss any of them, especially not this one. So today I'm explaining how I did my hair reconstruction. So for those of you who don't know, curly girls tend to go through 3 different kinds of hair schedule. So we do hydration, nutrition, and hair reconstruction. So today I'll be explaining how to do the hair reconstruction using an egg. An egg? What? An egg? Larissa, an egg? Yes, an egg. Trust me, you're gonna want to do this. Your hair will be so happy. So before we begin, why is this important? This is important because it really does help bring that moisture back to your hair, and it does help with the hair growth process for those of you girls who are trying to grow your hair long and pretty. So the way you do this is you want to start off by washing your hair. Make sure you shampoo your scalp thoroughly. I like to shampoo my hair twice, but it's up to you. Once you're done shampooing your hair, you want to step out of the shower. I know, this is why a lot of the times I don't like to do hair masks, but trust me, you're gonna want to do this because taking care of your hair is like taking care of all other parts of your body. Okay? Now you want to have this mixture prepared a little bit before you hop in the shower, just so you can have it in hand. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna get your favorite hair masks. For me, I took the SheaMoisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Treatment Mask. And then I mixed this with the egg. Now when you're mixing the egg, before you do that, you want to make sure you take out that little gooey white part so that it doesn't, create any kind of different reactions. But you're going to take that egg and you're going to mix it in with your favorite hair mask. And I like to add some kind of oil to it also. In the mixture I did, I added a little bit of avocado oil, but you can add whatever oil you want, whether that's coconut oil, castor oil. Coconut oil is a great option. You want to rake it through your hair. Now I know it won't feel as smooth as raking in just your conditioner, but trust me, it'll work, because after you shampoo your hair, your hair cuticles are open, so it is ready to receive all those nutrients and proteins and vitamins that you are putting in. So you want to leave that on for about 15 or 20 minutes and rinse that out, and then make sure you condition afterwards. Now the conditioner will help close out those cuticles that you've just opened, and it'll seal it all into your hair, and that'll help with this process. Larissa, how often do I have to be doing this? For hair reconstructions, you want to do them every 15 days or maybe once a month. You don't want to do it very often because it is a very powerful hair mask. So if you do it too often, your hair will become droopy and a little bit too heavy, and you don't really want to do that. A lot of the times I don't even do it once a month. I'll really just try and see, I'll feel out my hair, and if I feel like it's a little bit too dry, then girl, it's time to hydrate those curls. So that's how I know. But if you kind of want to follow a schedule, then every 15 days or once a month would be great. I don't know about you, but good hair gives me confidence to go and conquer anything. So my advice to you is do it. Trust me, you're not gonna regret it. And it'll give you a lot of, shine and definition. My hair has a lot of definition. Ignore my nails, I know they look terrible. Anyway, that's all I have for this video today, you guys. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. If you have any more questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments down below. And if you try this out, let me know. Come back, and I want to know if it worked out for you or if it didn't. I'll be so happy to hear your feedback, and I am here for this. I love you guys, and I'll see you next time.